Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HP Omen 27qs 240Hz gaming monitor. Let's jump right in. The HP Omen 27qs is a 27-inch QHD IPS gaming monitor that packs a punch with its impressive features and performance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design. The Omen 27qs sports a minimalist, sleek design with no sharp corners or unnecessary embellishments. It's all about clean lines and functionality, making it a perfect addition to any gaming setup. But what about performance? Well, this monitor delivers in spades. With a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology, you'll experience buttery smooth gameplay with no tearing or stuttering. And speaking of colors, the Omen 27qs boasts pro-level accuracy for both sRGB and wide gamut color, ensuring that every game and multimedia experience looks stunningly vivid and lifelike. But it's not just about visuals. The built-in speakers on the Omen 27qs deliver surprisingly excellent audio quality, with clear sound and decent bass. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, you'll be impressed by the immersive audio experience. In conclusion, the HP Omen 27qs is a solid choice for gamers looking for premium performance without breaking the bank. With its vibrant display, fast refresh rate, and immersive audio, it ticks all the right boxes for both casual and professional gamers alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech. Until next time, happy gaming!